Hi, today we're going to be looking at one of the most classic problems of linked lists, which is to find the middle of the linked list. So let's take a look at this lead code question. So here we are given the head of a singly linked list and our job is to return the middle node of the linked list. And it says that if there are two middle nodes, our job is to return the second middle node. So how that works is here. In the first example, we have 5 different nodes and our job is to return the third node because that's in the middle. We have 2 nodes on either sides. However, if there's an even number of nodes, our job is to return the second middle. So on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, we have the middle to be 4. So that is how we are going to write our code. So for this classic linked list problem, we are going to use something called the runner technique. So this technique actually involves having 2 different pointers. One pointer is called the slow pointer and the second one is called a fast pointer. The idea here is that we will always increment the slow pointer by 1, but we will increment the fast pointer by 2. And the idea here is that when the fast pointer actually points to null, that means when it reaches the end of the linked list and it points to none, the slow pointer will be pointing to the middle of the linked list and we can simply return the pointer to that node. So to show you what I mean, let's get right into the code. So we're going to define a fast pointer which is actually pointing to the head and a slow pointer which also points to the head at the start. Now all we need to do is to have a while loop which checks if a fast pointer is currently not none, but instead of writing this we can just say while fast. So as long as it's not none, this will continue, but we also need to ensure that the fast pointer has a next pointer which is not none. So if this is the case, what we're going to do is that we will increment slow by 1 and we will increment fast by 2, which is next, and within the next we are going to call next again. So when this ends we are going to return slow. So that's about it. So this is the simple runner technique that I just described. So let's actually run through the examples. So in example 1 we will have both the slow and fast pointers pointing to number 1, and in the first iteration what I'm going to do is to increment the slow pointer to point to 2 and fast pointer will jump twice, which means it points to 3. The next iteration we are going to increment slow pointer to point to 3 and fast pointer will now jump twice, which is 1, 2, points to 5. And now at this point in the next iteration we are going to do a check because it will check whether fast is pointing to a valid node, which is yes. However, fast or next is pointing to none because it ends there, and this means the iteration won't continue and we will simply return our node that is being pointed to by the slow pointer. And that's exactly right because our slow pointer is pointing to node 3 and that is the middle of the linked list. Again, let's run through this algorithm in the second example. We have both slow and fast pointing to number 1. First iteration, slow points to 2, fast points to 3. Second iteration, slow jumps by 1, points to 3, and fast jumps twice, which means it points to 5. And the third iteration we will increment slow to point to 4, fast jumps by 1 and another 1, which means now it's pointing to none. And in this next iteration, when we are going to check our condition while fast, the first condition itself fails because fast is now pointing to none. So that means this iteration won't continue and we will return the node that is being pointed to by the slow pointer, and again that's exactly right because our slow pointer is pointing to node 4. So this algorithm works on both examples and I'm pretty confident it should work on all the hidden examples as well. Let's go ahead and run this. And great, this has been accepted, and let's submit this. So this is great, we have passed all the test cases and our runtime is actually pretty fast as well. So a great solution all in all. And that's all for the runner technique, which allows you to find the middle node of a linked list. I hope this video was really useful and thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video.